Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to save reels without posting. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Instagram, click the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Okay, so there are several reasons why someone might choose to save reels without actually posting them. Because for one, they can review and edit the content later. And of course, from there, it ensures that it meets the quality standards before sharing. Of course, you can also get feedback from friends or colleagues before making it public. And of course, you can have a personal or sensitive content private to plan and schedule posts strategically before better engagement. Now, what I want you to do is to go to your mobile device and open the Instagram app because it's a lot easier to work around with it. Now, I just wanted to make a very quick disclaimer that as of this moment, all right, there is no tools and features that can save reels without posting them. But what we're going to do is to create a smart workaround for us to be able to work with it. All right, just give me a few seconds and I'm gonna switch over to my Instagram app. Okay, so now I'm here on my Instagram app. I'm gonna try to create a reel. All right, now once I'm here on the reel, basically you can add a music here on the top. You can add stickers. For example, let's put some text here. Okay. You can add some music if you wanted to, for example. You can also add music if you wanted. And of course, you can add stickers, right? For example, I'm going to put something like here for aesthetics, like cloudy or watery. I'm gonna put it here now. And of course, from here, you can click the say download button, right? But the thing is, if you put the music in this specific reel, what will happen is you're not gonna be able to save it with the music that you put it into. That means there's no way for you to be able to save the reel without actually posting them. So what you can do from here is to post the reel privately and then download the reels after that. And if you think the content is not in quality, you might want to edit that later. That's one of the smartest workaround and to keep in managing and optimizing content effectively here on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.